During the pandemic, many countries started making technology for digital payments so that the payment would be easier and maybe the spread of the virus would not increase. We all got adapted to it. But did you know Brazilians adopted the payments faster than anyone else? Don't worry, we've got you all covered up. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with another exciting video on why Brazilians are adopting digital payments faster than anyone else. But before we begin, do like and share and subscribe to our channel. Now with that said, the introduction of digital payment has led to financial independence for ordinary people. Now that the digital payments have increased so much, the companies work to enhance the technology. Let's see how the digital payment in Brazil increased and why are people there adopting it faster than anyone else. Brazil's financial inclusion boom. In 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic began, around 16 million people got themselves involved into the Brazilian financial system. As the finances became online, it meant that around 85% of Brazilians had access to financial services, which was noted as the highest increase in bank population in decades. Though there are still barriers to digital payment options, some fintech companies are looking for the solution to be eased out. Nubank, which was founded in 2013, São Paulo, has become one of the largest digital banking platforms in the world, offering financial products to 53 million customers and maybe even more. Data shows that the financial system was open for 5.6 million people recently in Nubank. Wow, and those people never had access to banking services. But along with the innovation, the government should also assist in the effort. Some government regulations can create barriers. Onerous licensing requirements, data restrictions, domestic processing, and capital requirements are used for enhancement of security, but it may unintended results of market access barriers. Though there are some countries who have managed to avoid all this, the Brazilian Central Bank has done a good job in encouraging the entry of new institutions through proportional regulation. Unlocking the potential of digital payments. The IDB Lab, the innovation laboratory of the Inter-American Development Bank and the World Economic Forum shaping the future of trade and investment platforms, partnered up together to launch the Payments to Advance Growth for All initiatives. The initiative aimed to make digital payment in Latin America and Caribbean to be more innovative. To market practical recommendations for making the payments all digital, this initiative was brought by the stakeholders from private and public sectors. Some of the recommendations which were suggested will give access to the ones who are not registered and make sure their rights and privacy is protected. So let's get into the recommendations. 1. Build good regulatory practices to reduce market barriers and promote innovation. This means that for a thriving digital payment ecosystem, it is necessary for adopting global industry standards, encouraging interoperability, and promoting a level playing field in financial services and digital payments. 2. Encourage public-private sector collaboration. As the payment methods are increasing, they are kept safe and sustainable. The public and private sectors should work together to deliver the quality of service that meets the business and individual needs. 3. Explore digital trade agreements to secure safe cross-border digital payments. The payment method should be modified to meet the international standards in trade agreements, which would enhance the promotion and adoption of international standards to enable network and technical interoperability. 4. Facilitate new technologies and innovation. There are many platforms creating digital payments and addressing important barriers and trade opportunities. Government can look over them and design flexible policies and regulations which encourage new people to join in and make the already joined more comfortable. As so much was done, there was obviously some success to it. Let's talk about the Brazilian success story. The critical growth in digital payment was due to the pro-innovation regulatory, which allowed digital banks to enhance new technologies. A new financial inclusion of digital payments in Brazil was the introduction of Pix, which was a real-time payment system launched by the Brazil's central bank in 2020. Since the introduction to Pix, it helped 40 million people to make their first bank transaction. The number of Pix users increased from 41 million to 124 million in between November 2020 and March 2022. Wow, that's quite some number. Pix has encompassed how the creation of real-time payments became an important tool for the central bank. Even though there were problems, people have seen tremendous growth in the payment method and its benefits. To develop digital payment, the government should make more changes in the payment method, modernize it. This would help individuals and businesses to use the new innovations. So with that, we are at the end of the video. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you still haven't. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.